Good morning, everyone. Good morning from Dharmanagar station. It's been a long time since I have not made a vlog. तो बात करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रही है, but it's okay. I'll manage it. And now the time has come to return back to our main home, that is hostel. So we have finished celebrating Christmas plus New Year, and now we are going back to the hostel, to our hostel. And now I'm in Dharmanagar station waiting for the train to come, as well as waiting for my friends. So today we will begin our journey with a blessed day with our friends. So till then, watch till the end of the video. Now time is already 8, but still train is not arrived. So we are patiently waiting for the train with brother Kamal. The journey started. We are on the train, and the train is so tight. Sikarba is always sleeping. Maybe he didn't sleep last night. Here, our brother Kamal Zoy. Now time is 12, and now we have reached Tripura station. So we still have a long destination to go. Maybe we will reach our destination at night. We have reached Hong Sang Junction, and from here we are going direct to George.
It's close, okay?
Yes.
Close.
मेरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा
That's Imphal. So we are going to reach Imphal after a few minutes.
A few moments later.
So we have reached Imphal, and now from here we are going towards Tripura, and this is the night view of Imphal. So our luggage were loaded down, and now we are going ahead towards Tripura, Silmat, to our hostel, and we will be reaching our hostel by 1 hour. We are going ahead towards Tripura, and we are going with an auto. So here we got in traffic jam.
We are moving now.
There is so cold.
One hour later.
Okay, so finally, after a long period of traveling, in sake of coolness, tiredness, I reached my room, and it's so messy. And tonight I will be alone because my roommate has not yet arrived. So tonight, yeah, I'll be spending the night here alone. So yeah, this will be the end of our today vlog, and if you are interested and if you like this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.